Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first look at a measuring tram gauge that I got to work on the car. If you don't know what it is, it helps you take measurements along several points along the car, or anything really that you may have obstacles in the way with the tape measure. But with the tram gauge you have the ability to take measurements with some offset pointers, and I'll help get around obstacles that are maybe in your way. Alright, so let's go take a look what's in the box and see how this will work out for me. Alright, so this is what we have. It's a measuring tram gauge from KILART Tools. I believe the part number is KILART903M. So it measures anywhere from 28.5 inches to about 10 feet. It's a nice soft padded bag. And we got some sales info, hey, a couple stickers. Tram gauge itself. I guess this is going to be the pointers. It's supposed to come with 2 sets, and that's what we have. Small set that's probably about 6 inches or so. And the other set, let me go run and grab a tape measure real quick. Yeah, about 5 inches for one, about 12 for the other. So say 3 and 9 once you insert them into the tool. All right, like I said, you got some sales papers here. There's some advertisements, really. Hey, this is interesting. I didn't notice this when I bought it, but apparently the tools are made in Sacramento, California. So it is a USA made tool, which is nice. Hard to find those these days. So anyway, looking at the gauge, like I said, you see that as you move it, tape measure will change. Goes anywhere, like I said, from about 20, looks to be about 28 and 5/8. I have to measure that to make sure it's not off. Up to 10 feet. So for my use, that's plenty. It looks to be mostly aluminum construction. Some plastic collars to lock the telescoping pieces in place. Oh, hello bee. I don't know if you saw that on camera, but a bee was deciding to want to fly by me. So yeah, I think it's pretty sturdy looking, at least. I'll know more when I start using it on a daily basis, but for right now, it looks pretty decent. It's got 2 levels on it. Typical bubble level for one, and then it has like a circular dot one for doing vertical. But it'd be very difficult to do this vertically one-handed or one person. For me, mostly I want to use it to currently building the body jig for the car, and I need to make sure that is square. So I'm going to use this to make the cross measurements on the frame, on the rails for that. And there are some measurements on the car that the measurements need to be taking parallel to the datum line, and the tram gauge is probably going to be the easiest way to do that. So over the next few weeks I'll be using this pretty extensively, and I will let you guys know how it works out. Alright, so like I said, this is just a quick unboxing and first look. I'll be using this tool for a couple weeks, and I'll have a more in-depth sort of review. See what I like, what I don't like about it. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and all that. It really helps YouTube get an idea how these videos are doing, and it would help me out. So until then, take it easy.